So I'm only getting voltage on one line. This one. Let's go ahead and replace this chip. So I'm going to power it down. Hard drive doesn't sound good. Alright, so we're going to heat this chip off, take it off, put another one on there. I have to grab some chips. Turn the fume extractor on. We're going to take this chip off. It's going to take a lot of heat, so I'm just going to preheat from a little bit. Alright, it's already starting to melt. Waiting for the ground plane to come. There we go. Chip is off. It was a clean pull, so I could just actually put the chip back on there without adding any flux to the pads. Alright, so I'm going to test it, see if we get any signal. There we go. We got a fixed Xbox One S. So before it was scrambled lines. Let's let this boot. Well, this is booting. Let's test. No, my microscope camera is just failing. So we got video there. So you can see we got video now. It's not scrambled. Let's test the rails again here. See what voltages we're getting now. Besides last time, we weren't getting the proper voltage. We're only getting voltage on one pin to the HDMI port. See, we're getting the 3.3 volts. Right there on that last pin we were getting nothing on there. This other phone we were getting 3.2. Now it's like 3 volts. Or we weren't getting nothing on those two pins, those choke data lines. Here's another one right here. Getting 3.3 volts, we're getting 3.2. And if we go to this line here, Three point oh. Three point oh. 3.0. Then going to the other chokes. 3.0. 3.0. Yeah, we'll check this one. Getting nothing on that voltage. Second to the last pin, again 3.0. 3.0. So we're getting our voltages on our chokes here now. So we got this pin here, 3.0. 3.0. 3.0. 3.0. It's going to be the same for this. 3.0. 3.0. 3.0. And 3.0. So before we weren't getting any power out of the old chip, maybe because they either static electricity damaged the chip or something, you know, replacing the actual ports, whoever replaced these ports. So what I did is just remove the chip, put a new one on there, and we weren't getting no voltages on these. And we were getting voltage on one here, which would have been the third pin from this corner. It would have been third pin. We were only getting 3.2 or something. Yeah, see, we're getting 3.3 volts. We're getting 3.2 before. So we got video on this one. This one's fixed. I'm gonna wiggle the port around. It is kind of loose a little bit, not really much, but they must have did a swap on this or something. I don't know, but it's good to go now. They damaged the chip, the HDMI chip, somehow, either by static electricity or too much heat. Not regulated heat around that area, removing the ports or something like that, not taping it off. Who knows? Maybe they tried powering it up when it was they tried replacing the ports and they damaged the chip like that, having a couple joints cross-threaded or whatever. So now we can put this back together, disconnect this.